So welcome guys to another video, and I don't know why I'm going far away. I'm at Braden's house, or Crit's, but he doesn't want to be in this video for some odd reason. Honestly, I feel like he's probably lying. He's going to come in randomly in the background. I don't know. Anyway, so this video, I've been wanting to do this chug, and I don't know why I haven't done this chug, because if you know, you've been watching the series since the beginning, Mountain Dew Code Red was my first drink. Well, this is the drink after it, and I don't know why. Voltage. You know it's blue. Okay, it's voltage. But the lighting, you can't see it from where I have the phone. So, this is cold. Just gonna say now, so I don't have to say it later. And hopefully I can actually do it fast. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on. It's Nair, and let's get into this chug. I'm getting a brain freeze. More than halfway. Delicious. Why are you staring at me like that? I could feel him staring at me. I can already feel a burp coming, so I'm probably going to fail this. Okay, it's done. I have a major brain freeze. God, my stomach hurts. This is why I do it slow. But I got something to show you. Slap chop. Even though it's not, because it says right here, the Pampered Chef. I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it. This is why I need to get a camera. And by the way, I am going to be getting a camera soon. I'm going to go buy it. I'm buying a Sony. Oh my God, my stomach hurts. Imagine putting your balls in here. You would not have any. I feel like that's something that Jackass would do to people. By the way, the newest movie is good. I don't know why I'm saying this. I'm just trying to keep myself busy so I don't burp. I'm going to go for about 30 more seconds. I'm going to end this video. I want to throw this at Braden because he's looking at me like I'm stupid. Oh my Lord. Actually, I'm kind of overreacting because this is actually not that bad. But I'm going to start ending this. That's really weird. I'm not going to say, but I'm going to say this to Braden. It's really weird what street this house is on, and this branding has the same name. Okay, I haven't burped, and I'm going to end the video now because I'm not losing. Like and subscribe, turn notifications on, share to at least one friend, of course, because get to more people. I'll see you guys in the next video. I kind of wanted Crits in this video, but he didn't want to be in it, so it's whatever. He has a video. It's almost a month old now, and he was supposed to edit it. Eventually, he'll edit it. He's going to be coming in the background. There you go. I need to end this video. Okay, like, subscribe, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. All the way. By the way, I always do this in that outro.